Earn money online with systematic withdrawal plans, SWP. Imagine earning a consistent income without daily hustles or stress. Enter the Systematic Withdrawal Plan, or SWP, a tool that helps you turn investments into reliable cash flow. Ideal for beginners, SWPs offer a smart way to grow and withdraw money seamlessly. In essence, SWPs let you invest in mutual funds and withdraw a fixed amount regularly. Think of it like setting up your own monthly paycheck. While your money stays invested and grows, a portion is withdrawn at intervals you choose, monthly, quarterly, or annually. SWPs are flexible, letting you adjust withdrawal amounts or stop anytime based on your needs. Plus, they help you avoid locking funds away, unlike fixed deposits. For those who want financial security with freedom, SWP is a low-risk online income strategy that works for everyone. Start by researching mutual funds that align with your goals, then enroll in an SWP plan with a reliable fund. You don't need a huge investment. Many platforms make it easy to set up for just small amounts of cash. Consistency is key here. Your efforts add up over time. Don't wait to secure your financial future. Explore SWPs and watch how they transform your savings into steady income. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly financial tips and discover how simple steps today can lead to big gains tomorrow. Start smart and take action now.